As more people begin working from home and many schools shift to a virtual learning environment, a home desk space is becoming a necessity. Not every homeowner has an entire room to devote to a home office, however. Both designers and homeowners have started to rethink what an office could be, from redesigning an alcove of a living room or bedroom to repurposing a spare closet. The idea to create a workspace the entire family can use comes to life in this multi-purpose workspace from Wellborn Cabinet. This design can function as a home office for those who telecommute, a virtual classroom or homework station for children, a crafting area, or a sewing space. At only 5 feet wide, this reimagined area is intended to be both beautiful and packed with function. Our designer chose a Millbrook door style and a cherry finish with a drift stain for the base cabinets as well as the middle wall cabinets. For the upper tall cabinets, a complementary Bedford square door style in maple is finished with our Divinity paint. Large cove light rail crown molding and finished shelving caps off the workspace. The middle cabinets on either side feature 3-tiered spice storage shelves. A spice rack was attached to the inside of this cabinet door and makes the perfect storage location for crafting supplies. Between these two cabinets, we've added a fold-down door shelf, a modern-day take on an antique secretary desk. Folded up, it's a work of art providing a focal point and a splash of color. Opened, it houses office supplies using cubbies so that each supply has a home. This fold-down shelf also functions as an elevated laptop space for the option of working while standing. The floating shelf directly above the fold-out door is prepped for lighting so that the workspace can be illuminated using LED strip lights. The wooden countertop of the entire desk is stained to match the cabinetry and is finished with a bevel molding. No detail was left unattended in this space. In the center of the wooden countertop, behind a flip-down drawer front, rests our pull-out keyboard tray. Our all-wood desk file drawer will help keep your important documents in order. It can easily be modified to file things either vertically or horizontally, depending on the size of your files. With Wellborn Cabinets' multiple finishes and cabinet door styles, this area will suit virtually any personality or lifestyle. For more information on this and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.